In this video, we will learn about the Chatgpt. See, right now it is on the booming, and it is something very great and very useful for the blogger and e-commerce website owners. See, if you are a blogger or you are doing a freelancing related to content writing, or your niche is something like that, you have to write something on the daily basis, then it will change your game totally. See, and in India it is right now on the booming, and it is the totally AI based. When you will be entered in the chat GPT platforms, so the interface will be something like that. Here in the new thread you will write something, and after that you will enter, then automatically these all things will be going on. So I'm going to record 10 videos. This is the first videos, and there will be 9 more videos, and in through the 10 days journey I will share each and everything related to chat GPT. Okay, so the content will be around 2 or 3 minutes on the each and every video. So if you are a new and if you want to know all about the chat GPT, then please subscribe this channel so that you will be able to get the videos on the right time. See, there will be 10 videos related to only this topic, because this is the really amazing topic and I really loved it. And I think there were the times when in the 2 days I would be able to write only one articles or blog, but right now on the daily basis I used to write 2 or 3 posts with the help of this AI systems, AI tools. Just by doing our office work I am able to generate a very amazing plagiarism, free duplicacy, free content just in half an hours. Okay, so in this video I am going to cover 2 topics. Something, what is the chat GPT, and second will be how you can use it. Okay, see, what is the chat GPT? See, this is the AI based technology or AI based tools, that is the natural language processing model developed by the openai. It is the platforms, and chat GPT opened by these platforms. Chat GPT stand for chat generative pre-trained transformer. So it's really very amazing. This is something basic, and second we will learn how to use chat GPT. See, when the time come for the users, then what you have to do, just you have to go in the browser and you have to search for chat GPT. Okay, when you will search chat GPT, then on the first position there will be a website, and the domain name will be http.openai.com. you have to click over there, and after that this interface will be open. Okay, and now what you have to do, just you have to go for the try here. In introducing ChatGPT, research, release, try, learn more, then you have to click upon the try, and there will be 2 options: welcome to ChatGPT, login or sign up. So it is my first time, that's why I'm going to sign up button, and I want to go with the Google's. It will ask for the verification also. You have to enter the mobile number. Okay, so just I enter. Okay, then will be a verification code. I have to enter the verification code. Okay, when we will enter verification 6 digit of verification, it will be automatically redirected over here, the dashboard which I shown on the first time. Okay, see, what you have to do, just this interface will be open, and in the today's videos I am not going to cover each and everything like dark mode, openai, these all things we will discuss in the upcoming video. So how you can use, just like your topic is something like the What is phone? What is phone? This is the topic. Okay, I just enter over here, and after that what I have to do, just have to click here. See, it is going to write a amazing article that will be totally plagiarism free. See how it is going on. It is going and going on. See, amazing. Now you can see upon the device that is used to make or receive telephone calls. It is really very amazing and unique. This is the nothing like a, it is showing the copied content, something from somewhere. So it is a nothing like that. It is a totally unique and 100% plagiarism free. You can also check the plagiarism. Just copy these all, and here you can check like here is the one tool. Okay, a small SEO tool, and here is the free plagiarism checker. You can check plagiarism also. I think it will be totally 100% unique content. So it is taking some more time, so you can check something like this. Okay, and definitely it will be a very amazing and unique by 100%. So in this way you can use this Chatgpt platforms, and it is really very amazing. So this was my first videos, and in the second videos I will share something very important things, and there will be a 10 videos in this journey. Okay, so thank you so much. If you like this video, then you need to subscribe my channel, because there is the very least people have subscribed this channel. And if you will subscribe, so your subscription will give me motivation and energy, so that I would be able to record more and more videos for you people. Okay, thank you so much. I'll meet with you in the second videos. Thank you so much.